Alright, YouTube, we back again. Got the unboxing of this Vulcan welding cabinet, the big one from Harbor Freight. The unboxing and assembly. Go get into it. Ain't no use of flipping it over. Gotta put the wheels on the bottom anyway. You got a real package here. See what we got. Gotta unlock this door. Get all the goodies up out of it. And all the other reviews I watched, I don't think I recall seeing nobody having to unlock the door to get the stuff out. Got our shelves and our wheels, so forth. Yep. Once I unlocked that door, everything was up in that big door. Old handy country unboxing knife here. Pretty steady casters. Like they lock in place. Oh yeah. Wheel. Okay. Yeah. We'll go on that end. Okay, you two, we go get these wheels on so we can get this thing flipped over on the upright side. Got little lock washers and regular washers to go on it. I didn't think I was gonna need a welding cabinet, but one man band around here, but every little bit counts. It's gonna help with whatever situation that's at hand. So I got the Vulcan 220 welder right here. I want to go back and look at some of my other unboxing. You're free to do so. And we also got a nice little plasma cutter right here. Instead of toting all this stuff around or keeping it in an area that's gonna take up some storage space, which we all need much space as we can get dealing with cars and so forth. Cause you always got some type of item to store, including household stuff. So we need all the space. So if I can contain it all right here in this one cart, that'll be a plus. Helmet, gloves, consumables, grinders. Yeah. Thought I could just probably store it and pull it out when I need it. So it makes more sense to store the whole cart and roll the whole cart out when I need it. If I'm plasma cutting, welding, TIGging, MIGging, whatever. I think it's going to be a 10 millimeter. Nope. Gonna be 9/16. 9/16 on the casters with the lock washers. I swear on one of these reviews they said it was going to be a 10 millimeter. I watch so many reviews on different stuff. YouTube probably got it crossed up and confused. That was pretty much straightforward. All right. Like everybody else said, this thing always got scratched on the bottom. Ain't no big deal, but pay your hard-earned money, you want it to look nice. You don't want no scratches on no bottom. Got 6 fat Phillips. That's the old trusted Walmart drill. Got one in. Two. Three. 4. 5. Number 6. Get that drill talking like that, you know you're doing something, man. You got some work going. Get these casters on here with the wheels. Let me see, this might have been where they were talking about 10 millimeter. You know, might be a 9/16 suit. Yep. No. Enough strips out there. That ain't 9/16. Let's go back to this 10 millimeter out here at the bottom. No. It's gonna be for the big wheels. Half inch. Be a half inch on the one with the big wheels. Pretty straightforward with the putting the wheels on. This is Looks like the rod holding. Yeah. Rod holdings. I ain't got a little weight on it. But not hardly that.